Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Today, we will create an animated mesh gradient for our Web Hero section background. Design trends are evolving day by day. So, we are adding a modern touch in design to make it aesthetically look good and also improve user experience. I have one quick tip for you, to add a mesh gradient if you want to add a static mesh and don't want to animate it. There is a plugin named Mesh Gradient. You can adjust colors, style, and generate mesh directly. Now let's move to the further steps of creating an animated mesh gradient. We have to add multiple abstract shapes with different colors to give a mesh-like effect. For this purpose, I am using the Blobs plugin. Now let's just add some freeform blob shapes. You can adjust complexity and uniqueness before inserting. Now adjust the shapes on the main frame. It's time to add colors to these shapes. When you are doing it for a real project, you will have your theme and colors already defined, so you can add different shades of your primary and secondary colors. Currently, I don't have a theme already defined. So let's just pick a random color palette by using the Color Palettes plugin. I am adding a bit darker shade for the main frame background. Add color to all shapes. Now select all shapes, group them, and apply a blur layer effect to blur all the shapes. Adjust the blur level according to the colors you choose to blend them properly. Now duplicate the frame and change positions for all the shapes to have a moving or animated effect. Duplicate one again and repeat the step. Now select all 3 frames and make them a component set. Now add a prototype. I am adding an after delay trigger with Smart Animate so that it can animate automatically. Now repeat the step to connect the second frame to the third one and the third one to again first one. Now copy this component and paste it on the main screen. I am adding dummy data from previous designs to test the results and see how it will look on a real website. Hiding carousel for now to see the animation. So it is looking beautiful. Now let's unhide the carousel and see the final results. Here you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more informative content.